Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super useful trick for those moments when you lose data or accidentally delete something important in Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Google Sheets version history to bring back lost information, saving yourself hours of stress and frustration. Whether it's a tiny typo or a full column gone missing, don't worry, Google Sheets has your back, and so do I. Let's dive straight in. First things first, open up your Google Sheet where you think you've lost some data. Now, it's easy to panic when we see things disappear, but Google Sheets keeps a pretty clever record of the changes made over time. Up at the top left corner, you'll see the File menu. Go ahead and click on that. Take your time, there's no rush here. From the drop-down, look for something called Version History. It might be a little further down the list, so scroll carefully if you don't see it straight away. This feature is like the time machine of your spreadsheet. Every edit, big or small, gets stored here, so you can always jump back to an earlier point. Once you select Version History, you're offered a view that might look a bit different if you haven't seen it before. On the right-hand side, there's a list of various saved versions, each stamped with the date and time, and sometimes even who made the changes. When you're missing something, maybe it was a budget calculation, a list of names, or just that perfectly formatted table, you'll want to take a close look through these previous versions. Google Sheets quietly keeps track of everything for moments just like this. Now here, where you can really get hands-on and retrieve what you've lost, click through the different versions listed. Each time you click, Google Sheets will show you a preview of what your spreadsheet looked like at that exact moment in time. If you're not sure which version has your missing data, don't worry. You can jump back and forth as much as you need without making any permanent changes yet. It's a bit like flipping back through the pages of a notebook to find where you last saw your notes. When you finally spot the version where everything looks right, maybe your data is all there or the accidental deletion hasn't happened yet, take a deep breath. You're almost done. Look up toward the top of your screen and you'll see a button that says Restore this version. Go ahead and click that if you're sure you want to bring everything back to that point. Don't worry if this part takes a couple of seconds. Google Sheets is just putting all your pieces back in place as they were. And just like that, your spreadsheet is restored. Lost data, accidental deletions, formatting mishaps, all undone. It's seriously like magic. Remember, this feature is there for any time you need it, so don't hesitate to use it whenever things go sideways. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or stories about data you've rescued. I'd love to hear them. And if you want more handy tips like this, don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.